Can you guess what Vietnam's top exports are? Vietnam's economy is one of the fastest growing economies in the world, but most people probably cannot guess what drives most of the growth in the economy. You might assume that it would be agriculture, since Vietnam is the world's third largest rice exporter, second largest coffee producer, and a top exporter of cashew, durian, and shrimp. But in 2024, the top 5 Vietnam exports are electronics, mobile phone and spare parts, machinery, textiles and footwear, vehicles and spare parts. It wasn't always this way. When the Vietnam War ended in 1975, 80% of Vietnam's economy depended on agriculture. But in 1986, Vietnam introduced the Dooy policy, which made some dramatic economic and political changes, and the economy boomed. That year, Vietnam's total exports and imports were only worth $3 billion. By December 2023, this had reached $681 billion. Today, exports of goods and services as a percentage of GDP is 93.29%. In recent years, many companies have moved production from other countries to Vietnam, attracted by Vietnam's low labor and overhead costs and great foreign direct investment policies. Now, the country is becoming a hub for technology manufacturing in Asia. In fact, Samsung already manufactures half of all its phones in Vietnam, and Vietnam has emerged as Apple's most important manufacturing hub outside of China. Did you find this video interesting? Follow ExoTours for more insights into Vietnam.